So my self-portrait from today, pretty much it will be a crop until here, but what I see a problem in here, it's this one, because my light one light was here and one on this side. My black is not very black, so what I will do, I will add a solid color, the blackest what we get. I will add mask, and I will invert that. Then I will paint over this with a brush. I always use a sharp brush. So let's come a little bit closer, but not too close to my arm, because I do love this highlights in here on my hand. Perfect. And a little bit closer there. As much as I love this leg here, I will just take it off because I have other plans. So I want to crop it tighter. Okay, so before and after. Alright, and what I will do also, I will crop this image, but I will come up a bit, about knee height, and I will move it this way. So we leave a little bit of negative space in this side. Then I will go into liquify. I'm not too bad. I'm just sorting out some of my lumps and bumps in my belly here. It was poking out. I always poke my belly out because I can't see myself when I photograph. I don't know how to correct myself. So in liquify, I go and I puff my hair if I didn't curl it, and today I didn't because it was all day in ponytail and I just didn't have time to. It was a impromptu how you call it, impromptu shot, because I wanted to test my light. So what I do also, I can make this hair a little bit more fuzzed up, much bigger curls. Okay, so with this tool here, I will show you a little magic tool. For example, if you don't want to change the face, but assuming I wanted bigger boobs, let's make my bigger boobs, then I could have done this like super humongous boobs. So let's go back because we don't want that. Yeah, so you can do that and nothing changes. So, or like this, here we go. And now you can, when you change something, as you see, this part will stay. So you don't really need to be afraid that you can change the shape of the face or something like that. And then you remove it. Perfect. Now if I was with the face forward, I could change my width of the face, but I don't need to do that. The jawline, oh, I like that a little bit, but I do like my jawline. Perfect. And I don't have a smile, so pretty much it stays here. If I was pregnant, I would have done the material in the back, and probably I will have had a leg in here. So at the stage it stays like that. Now I do add another layer, and I do work on my skin with portraiture at this stage. I have an action which I made straightforward and I get into it. Now it's a little bit stronger, so that's not a drama, because I will reduce the opacity a little bit. Softens a little bit the skin and makes it similar color, I guess you can say that. And we will reduce that opacity. Perfect. Then I will add a little bit color in my cheeks. I don't need to add haze or other stuff because this will be turning out black and white. So because I don't have makeup, I'm trying to make my eyes a little bit deeper. A little bit of blush. Now if you do it this, you'll see it's stronger, so we'll go about 30%, and I reduce it a little bit, and we don't need it on the nose. And I will add a little bit of rosy lips. It's a little bit too much, but you got the gist. So okay, let's see. Beautiful. We just save it, and now let's have fun with some black and white presets, or let's see if we brighten up a bit. What I will do, I will invert it and bring a little bit of color just on my face, not too much, just to see my face. So I will reduce it a bit from my cheeks because I like that. And what I will do, I will add a little bit of Dodge and Burn. Dodge and Burn for LHP. Where are you? Hello, little prop. Pretty much those are my favorite actions. So this is the black and white, but we don't want to do that. Dutch. So, oops, brush, and that will be whiten it, but we don't want to do that. I will use a flow about 11%, and I'm doing this. I'm putting that. I'll darken my armpit because I don't like it too much. And come here. So everything was highlighted, especially my hair with the highlights, which they didn't come right at the hairdresser. Who needs a hairdresser when you have Photoshop, huh? How cool is that? Ta-da-da, ta-da-da. And now with the burn, same thing. Well darken areas which I don't like. Alright, let's see. before and after. Gives a little bit more depth. That's what I do. Now what I don't like is that this armpit, it's a little bit darker, so we will have, oopsie daisy, I will have to go in there. I love that. I will have to go in there and fix that. So it's not so dark, or it's uneven dark. Yeah. I could go with another tool in there. Usually if my hair was longer I could have put hair over my armpits, but oh well. Alright, let's look more subtle. What I could do is to remove the grays from my skin, and let's see if I can take it away. Yes, let's take this gray away. If we go higher in there, let's see what we've done. Made a little bit my skin. Okay. It's just too dark for me, that area. I like it better with this. Okay, probably I will darken it a bit more into that Dodge and Burn again. And in this way we don't drag the attention to the thing. Here we go. Oopsie, a little bit too dark. And like this we've done the entire area darker. Let's see. Yeah, that's better. And this way everything is in shadow. I think I need to do it more in there a little bit. Okay. And then I will do it with Dodge, the oopsie, this part here. And it's a little bit too strong, so I'll reduce that. So I drag the attention to my back. Alright, now let's see if we can find a filter in alien skin which looks cool. That's a little bit too strong. No, I like that. I like that quite very much. It's a little bit cooler. And I like this one too. I think it has a little bit of grain in there. Yeah. And we take that grain a little bit down. And you can see before and after. That looks so cool. I left a little bit of grain because I do like it. So before and after, I like that. So it's a little bit flat in here, like you see, and then we've done that. It's just perfect. I love it. So now what I will do I'll add a little bit of sharpening. Doesn't need too much because I already had, oops, not light, that's the light. I will add a little bit of sharpening, about 15%, and just enough to be a little bit sharper on medium. And I will duplicate this image and we will look for a black and white version of this. So if I go in camera raw, sometimes I try this black and white version, which it doesn't mind me, but it's a little bit flat. So what I will do, I will just save this version just to see how it behaves in comparison when I put the images together. And we will try and find something else. I want to go here. I have some grayscale. Oh, I like that. Maybe it's a little bit strong, and I like this one, and that's softer. Ooh, I do like this one. I do love this one. Perfect. So what we can do, see if we reduce the shadows, if it will help. If it helps, we do it. If it doesn't help, we just leave it go. Let it go. Oopsie daisy. The good part is that I could see a little blurb in there, which I haven't fixed. So I do like a little bit of shadow, but not a lot. So what I will do, I will invert and I will bring it over the face only, and over this hand, and I will leave that part as it is. So I just wanted that hair to be more lighter a little bit. Right, that looks cool. So let's see. We went from there in black and white into this. I love that. So yes, let's save this on the JPEG, but I don't want. I want to save in my desktop local. We save that too, and we save that too. And we save that. Perfect. So yeah, that was my editing. I hope you love it, and see you in the next one. Have a great day. See you soon.